Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here are some tips on creating an aesthetic vlog. Stick till the end for a bonus tip. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Firstly, the basics. Import your videos on InShot. Tap Canvas and pick your preferred aspect ratio. Now tap each clip and trim them as you please. Secondly, transitions. Tap the transition button between your clips and select a transition of your choice. You can play around with a variety of transitions. Thirdly, frames. Tap PIP, Materials, Social, and import the social media frame. Press Autofill to fit to screen, and you can also use a variety of frames from the Materials library. Now let's add effects. Tap Effect, Film, and pick the best effects for your video. In this case, focus. Then we have text and stickers. Tap Text, type your text, and pick your font. Select the color wheel, tap Opacity, and adjust it accordingly. Now tap Sticker to add these line animations. Pick the sticker you want, drag and pinch to position it however you like. And now you know how to create an aesthetic vlog with a little help from InShot. Who are your favorite vloggers? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.